many of today's students don't have a general understanding of the landscape of tools available. I believe most students know that there are hammers out there, that there are screwdrivers, even pliers, but I believe many students don't have an awareness of the different types of wrenches to use in certain situations, that there are many types of chisels for specific applications, files, saws, clamps, and I think it is important for students to understand all of these tools that are available for different tasks. Knowing the tool is there is important, and then knowing which tool to use for a given job is even more important. And this book will help students to understand and correctly choose the right tool for the right job. Once the tool has been chosen, it's important that a student knows how to use the tool safely, especially power tools. Power tools have an enormous advantage over hand tools in their ability to perform jobs much more quickly, much more efficiently, and with less fatigue. But power tools also come with significantly greater hazards than hand tools, and it's extremely important that students understand how to use all tools safely, especially power tools. Knowing how to use a tool safely is important, and it's a great starting point. But it is also important to understand how to properly use a tool for maximum effectiveness. There are many ways to use a tool incorrectly, and typically one best way to use a tool to get the job done as quickly and easily and safely as possible.